Remember? We know you can do it. Just today, do it. Ready? He just wants to be treated like everybody else, and not like a baby in the special class.
This is great, but I find it hard to believe that he did this by himself.
You need to connect with him, and then he'll write with you.
Do you want to type with me?
Hula hooping for me is meditation, expression.
I don't think most people expect when they hear that you hula hoop to see the kind of hula hooping that's done.
I give everything to my hoop.
My favorite part about hooping is how you just get lost in it. All your thoughts kind of melt away and you're just kind of sucked into this like electricity.
It really helps through hard times. You wouldn't think a plastic circle would do that, but it really does.
It's like doing drugs without actually doing drugs.